This Fast and Furious video got 65 million views. This video of Cristiano Ronaldo got 56 million views. And this one of Thanos, 47 million views. That's how many views this Instagram account is getting by using a single AI method to create his videos.
I know my viewers are here for money. They don't care about YouTube, Instagram, videos, or views. I get that. But my friend, I make money from creating content on social media. And I have taught a lot of people how to do that. So in this video, I'm going to share how you can use AI to create content and make money from the content. And as usual, I have done my homework. I have analyzed the video using AI. I know exactly what's inside. I know what's right and what's wrong. And the system in this video is a 5-step system called Viral. Although you're going to make money at this step, but in my opinion, this is where you start making money. And it will be very hard to reach at this point without doing this right. So step number 1 is visualize viral concepts.
So a couple of days ago, I found this video. It was this super high quality AI video of Cristiano Ronaldo with a bunch of goats around him. The crazy thing with this video was that it had 50 million views, which is literally unheard of these days when it comes to AI-generated content. And that was not the only one. They had multiple videos with tens of millions of views. When first looking at it, it looked like it was created by a professional animator or something. Turns out, it's not as complicated as I thought. After digging into every AI software out there, I found the exact formula this account used to create these videos.
It's really interesting what this page does. And the content is out of the world. Look at this little Godzilla post right here. Got 39 million views. Look at this. This is so funny.
Not only that, I did notice they're making a few mistakes in their strategy that makes them miss out on not only views, but also a lot of money. Getting millions of views is cool and all.
And what I figured, there are some couple of mistakes this video creator is making as well. And the most important of those mistakes is the money advice at the end. So keep watching and don't make those mistakes.
But you're not really getting anything out of it, especially not on Instagram. Because here's the thing, views are honestly kind of useless if you don't know how to monetize them. So in this video, I'll show you how I would start an account like this from scratch and how to actually turn it into a profitable business. I'll give you the exact software, prompts, and even show you how to replicate one of their most viral videos step by step.
Sounds good? Now let's go and find out.
Let's get into how to create these videos. One of this channel's most viral videos is this one of Thanos in some Indian market, and it's pretty easy to see why this video went viral. It's unique, shocking, and stands out from most other videos.
This is what we are talking about when we said visualize viral concepts. But after that, you need to integrate AI applications. Now, in order to make AI work, you need to use something called prompt. Prompt is an instruction to AI about what you want AI to do.
So the first thing we gotta do is come up with a prompt that'll be able to generate the image we want. Honestly, this is probably the hardest part. I mean, this literally looks like it's created by Marvel. How do you even compete with that? So I used all my prompting knowledge and generated hundreds of images, but none of them were even close to the result I wanted.
Hey man,
Hey, sorry, I'm not really in the mood right now.
you're looking for a prompt, right?
Yeah, why?
I think I have something for you.
Huh?
Here, try this.
What's this?
It's the prompt you're looking for.
But how did you know?
No questions. Give me 100 and we're good.
Kinda expensive for a prompt, don't you think?
Do you want the prompt or not?
Yeah, I guess.
Alright, it was dramatic, but actually you do not need to spend any money to get a prompt like this. Or prompting is not even a secret science anymore. So let me show you how to create a prompt. Here's what I have done and you can do the same. I just paused this video and took a screenshot. I saved the screenshot and uploaded to ChatGPT. And I asked, write a prompt to generate this image with AI. So ChatGPT analyzed the image and wrote the prompt for me. Now I went back and asked ChatGPT to create the same image. And wow, it says I couldn't generate the image because it didn't align with our content policy. That's weird. So I thought, okay, ChatGPT is not the only app that creates image. So I went to Google's Gemini. I put the same prompt and guess what happens? Google created this image. Haha. And it is completely free. So what did we learn from this? Step 1, ask AI how to write the prompt. AI will write the prompt for you, and you're going to use the same prompt to create your image. And this is applicable to every other AI use. You should have a conversation with AI like an assistant, like a friend, like a mentor. Look, here is another example. I took a photo of my own messy desk. Then I asked write prompt to create this image with AI. And there was even a typo in that sentence. But guess what? ChatGPT realized what I wanted. So it wrote me a prompt. Now I copied the prompt and asked ChatGPT to create the same image. Look at this. This is AI image. You see this? This was the original and this is AI. Then I went to Google Gemini, used the same prompt, and that's what I got. So don't worry about all this drama or secret prompts. There is nothing secret. Have a conversation. If you have doubt, ask. AI will answer. Then from this conversation, you will be able to create what you want. In the next step, they used the prompt in a software called Leonardo.ai. You can use it, you may not use it, it's up to you. It's a paid application, it has its own limitations. You cannot do a lot of things with the free version. So if you are okay to pay, then go and try Leonardo. If I were you, I would just try and use the free applications that are freely available to me. Then they made a couple of iterations of the same image, which is something you can do as well. Let's say on ChatGPT, I can simply say, redraw the same image. It's creating, and let's see what happens. Another image is created. That's not all. I even used free Meta AI. And with the same prompt, I got this image. What do we learn from this? It's important to learn new skills, new softwares, new AI, but it's also important to learn how to save your money and use it in the right place. We also learned that there is no excuse. So go and get to work. Okay, at this point, if you're curious how we actually make money from videos, whether it's face videos or faceless videos or AI videos, then there is a completely free training in the link in the description. In this free training, I will show you step by step what we do in order to make $500 to $1,000 to $10,000 in passive affiliate commissions. I will also show you how we help our beginner students to do the same. And if after watching this training you still have questions, feel free to ask me through DMs on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Link is in the description. It's a completely free training to watch, and at the end of the training, you will learn about our program. Okay, back to the video. So the reason for creating multiple images is one of the most important steps. Refine with storytelling. People do not just watch a video, whether it's animated or AI generated or funny or whatever. People watch stories. That's why people watch Netflix, movies, drama serials, and you can always write a story using AI. For example, I wrote this instruction to ChatGPT. Write an interesting story that involves the elements in these images in 120 words. It should have a context, then you should add a but with a problem, and therefore with a solution, and hit enter. Now we got a story. Let's listen to the story.
Amelia was a budding novelist working tirelessly at her glossy white desk. Her essentials, aviator-style glasses, keyboard, lip balm, and scattered trinkets were within reach. That afternoon, sunlight cast a delicate grid-like shadow across her workspace, inspiring her story's climax. But as she typed, her glasses slipped and a bracelet tumbled, knocking over her lip balm, which rolled under the desk. The distraction broke her flow, and the plot she'd crafted vanished like a fleeting thought. Frustrated, she realized her desk's clutter was her nemesis. Therefore, Amelia paused, tidied her space, and implemented a one-item-at-a-time rule. With newfound focus, she not only recovered her storyline, but added an unexpected twist that turned her novel into a masterpiece.
With AI, you can write as many stories as you want. You can create as many images as you want. And you should try to refine your storytelling to make it interesting for your audience to watch. But there is another type of video that you can write using AI, of course.
You can then include a hook, main part, and conclusion. For example, that someone comes and steals a fruit from Thanos as the hook. Then he runs after that person and takes the fruit back, which becomes the conclusion. It'll make it a lot more engaging to look at, and hopefully the viewer will stay until the end of the video.
And that's the purpose of telling a story. Because when a visitor watches your video from start to end, algorithms like YouTube and Instagram and TikTok consider your video as an important video, and they will send this video to more and more people. You get more and more viewers, and hence more and more traffic. And you must be asking how to turn the still images into videos. That's where AI comes in to animate the still images. For that, you go to lumalabs.ai. They have free plans and they have paid plans. You can start with free. It's pretty simple. You can simply click here and upload your images, then add a prompt to animate those images.
Luma Labs' new AI tool has the entire industry scared. Check out this video. It's 100% AI generated, making it impossible to believe that filmmakers' jobs are safe. The method I use to create these videos is completely free, so you can try it out after watching this video. First, go to Leonardo AI and create an image using a detailed prompt. Here's the one that I used. Then take that image and head over to Luma Labs Dream Machine. Upload your image here, describe the scene, and select Enhance Prompt. This way the AI will make your prompt more detailed. Then click here, and in a few moments your image will come to life. Now try that for yourself.
And the last step, launch and monetize. For monetization, we choose affiliate marketing. And the way affiliate marketing works is, let's say this phone company has an affiliate program. If you as an affiliate promote this mobile phone and somebody purchase from your personal affiliate link, this company will pay you a percentage of that sale. You as an affiliate marketer do not have to create this phone or its website. You don't have to sell or ship. You do not have to do anything. All you have to do is to drive visitors to your affiliate link. So your visitors visit their website, they decide to buy, and you just collect the commission for sales. They're showing here a new system where
The viewer doesn't even have to buy anything for you to get paid, like a normal affiliate program where you sell a pair of yoga pants and get paid a few dollars. All they gotta do is just answer a few questions, which makes it so much easier. This website I'm talking about is called Glitchy. You probably haven't even heard about it yet since it's so untapped. Only a few accounts know about it, but they are printing huge results. This guy, for example, he used it to bring in $22,000 in just 1 month.
this sounds amazing. So let's go and search for glitchy.com. That's how the website looks like.
So here's how to actually use it and make money with it. By the way, before I show you this, if you want more new monetization methods like these, make sure to drop a like on this video. This shit takes me ages to research and find. Yeah, so first you want to head over to their website and sign up for a free account with your email address. And don't worry, it's completely free to use. You won't need to get any subscriptions or anything like that. Next, click on the tab that says Offers and you'll see all the products you can promote. It's literally only brands people in niches like this one are already familiar with, like 7-Eleven, Zara, H&M, and Shein. You want to pick a product that aligns with the audience. That way it's more likely they'll click on the link. So choose one you like and click on it. To promote it, you want to scroll down a bit till you see this link. It's called an affiliate link. And every time someone clicks on this link and follows through with the process, you'll get paid $8. Like, people are printing crazy amounts just doing this on TikTok pages or Instagram pages. If you're early on this and do it correctly, it could be the next big thing.
The problem with this kind of methods and this kind of websites is that, and it's not a well-known website. So you don't really know whether they will actually pay as promised or not. Plus, this method is called CPA, where you get paid when visitors take an action, like putting their email or their phone number in a box. And the companies who are running those advertisements, they will use those contacts to market their offers. That is totally legit, but I have zero idea about the legitimacy of this website. So I'm not sure whether you're going to get paid or not. So I recommend you do your due diligence before trying anything like this. Because at the end of the day, it takes a lot of effort to follow through these steps, make videos, upload them, and get traffic to your link. And that is why we don't do this. What we do is called high-ticket affiliate marketing. With high-ticket affiliate marketing, you promote high-price, legitimate products, and you make $500 to upwards as affiliate commissions per sale, but when there is a sale. And that is totally fine, because end of the day, a business can only sustain and keep paying their affiliates and serve their customers when there are sales. And the good thing about affiliate marketing that you don't really need to participate in the sales process. You don't even need to be salesy. All you need to do is to put out valuable content so your viewers love you, follow you, and eventually buy from your recommendation. Sales is the job of the product owner. They are the experts. They do it to make money for themselves and for affiliates like you and like me. If you want to learn more how we earn $300, $500, $650, $1,000 in passive affiliate commission, and the members in our program who were complete beginners when they joined our program follow our exact system and get 99% work done by us, then check the link in the description for a complete step-by-step training. Hit the like button if this video was helpful, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button. And for more money ideas, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.